Hello, my fellow airsofters. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys some fun actually I had down in San Diego, actually Camp Common, an airsofting park called the paintball park. Boo. Anyways, uh, I'm gonna be showing you guys some of the pictures that I took there. So please like the video.